So this morning, I got a job where someone phones up, they say the extractor fan in our bathroom is pants. Can you do something about it? Because, well, every time we have a shower and all the steam gets in the bathroom, it starts to get mouldy. So can we either upgrade the fan or basically make it better? So am I gonna have to root around the loft? I didn't go look at this job because it's a customer that I do a lot of work for, and she said, just go and do it. So have I messed up by wearing shorts? I don't want to be rooting around in insulation with shorts on. Let's find out. So firstly, I want to see if it actually works. Yeah, doubt that's actually doing much, is it? And when you do the normal extractor test, yeah, it's not even holding on to it, so rip that out. And yes, it's in the loft. What an awkward position to have this loft hatch in. I've got to crawl up through there. So what we're going to do, we're going to put an inline fan inside the loft because we've got plenty of space and it's going to be 10 times better. And look, we've got to go back down to get some blue sleeving. So when I put that on. So yeah, we'll connect that up. And then after putting the new fan in, I thought I'll level it up. But I've timed it up and I thought it's fine like that. It doesn't matter if it's level or not. So after testing the wiring, let's see if it actually works. And yeah, the square grill come out and put a round one in. Check that out. This is my final test. I like sticking a bit of toilet paper to the grill. And then to see if we've got the timer, the switch live and the live the right around, knock it off. Perfect.